In today's fast-paced and constantly connected world, it can be easy to lose sight of who you truly are. However, taking the time to find yourself can be a critical step toward achieving happiness and fulfillment. Discovering your true self is a journey that requires introspection and self-reflection. It's about understanding your own values, beliefs, and desires and aligning your life with these fundamental aspects of yourself. While the process of finding yourself can be challenging, it can also be incredibly rewarding. By doing so, you can gain a deeper understanding of who you are, your passions, and your strengths. Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. In this video, we are going to go through 10 ways to help you find yourself. So let's get started. Number 1. Spend time alone. Spending time alone can be an important way to connect with yourself and your inner thoughts. It allows you to disconnect from external distractions and focus on your own needs and desires. Whether you enjoy reading, meditating, or simply being in silence, carving out time for yourself can help you get to know yourself better. Number 2. Reflect on your values. Your values are the things that are most important to you in life. When you reflect on your values, you're able to identify what truly matters to you and what you stand for. This can help guide your decisions and actions and give you a sense of purpose and direction. Number 3. Set personal goals. Setting personal goals can help you identify what you want to achieve in your life. By defining your goals, you're able to focus your time and energy on things that matter to you. This can help you feel more motivated and fulfilled as you work towards achieving your aspirations. Number 4. Explore your passions. Exploring your passions is a great way to discover what you love to do. Whether you're interested in art, music, sports, or any other pursuit, engaging in activities that bring you joy can help you feel more connected to yourself and your authentic desires. Number 5. Identify your strengths. Everyone has unique strengths and talents. Identifying your own strengths can help you feel more confident and capable. This self-awareness can also help guide you in making decisions that play to your strengths and lead to a greater sense of fulfillment. Number 6. Be honest with yourself. Being honest with yourself means acknowledging both your strengths and your weaknesses. This can be a difficult process, but it can also be incredibly liberating. By being honest with yourself, you're able to identify areas for growth and work on developing your abilities. Number 7. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health is important for overall well-being. When you prioritize self-care, you're able to connect more deeply with yourself and your needs. This can help you feel more grounded and centered and better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of life. Number 8. Connect with others. While it's important to spend time alone, it's also important to connect with other people. Building meaningful relationships with people who share your values and interests can help you feel supported and understood. This sense of community can help you feel more connected to yourself and the world around you. Number 9. Take risks. Trying new things and stepping outside your comfort zone can be a powerful way to discover new things about yourself. When you take risks, you're able to challenge yourself and expand your horizons. This can help you feel more confident and capable and lead to exciting new opportunities. Number 10. Find meaning and purpose. Seeking out activities and pursuits that bring you a sense of purpose and meaning can help you feel more fulfilled. Whether it's volunteering, pursuing a career that aligns with your values, or engaging in creative pursuits, finding activities that resonate with you can help you feel more connected to yourself and the world around you. Remember, discovering your true self is a journey that requires self-reflection, introspection, and honesty. While it can be a challenging process, it can also be incredibly rewarding, leading to a more authentic and fulfilling life. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any comments or questions about finding yourself, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and development. Thank you again for watching.